In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a deleted or voided transaction in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if something seems to be missing from your books, or if you need to track down who changed or removed a transaction and when it happened. First, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account and that you're on the main dashboard. At the very top right corner of the screen, look for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open up the list of tools and settings available to you. When the menu opens, you'll see several columns. Look for the column labeled Tools. Under this Tools column, find and select Audit Log. The Audit Log is where QuickBooks keeps a record of changes made in your company file, including deleted and voided transactions. So this is exactly where we want to be. Once the Audit Log page loads, you'll see a list of activities, but it may include all kinds of events. To narrow this down, look for the Filter button toward the top of the page and click on it. This will open a panel that allows you to customize what you're looking for. Inside the filter options, find the drop-down menu labeled Events. Click on that, and from the list that appears, choose Deleted Voided Transactions. This tells QuickBooks that you only want to see transactions that have been removed or voided instead of every single change in the system. You can refine your search even further here, which is especially helpful if you have a lot of activity. You can choose a specific user if you know who might have deleted or voided the transaction. You can also set a date range, such as this month, last month, or a custom period. Using a narrower date range makes it much easier to scan through the results and find exactly what you need. After you've selected Deleted Voided Transactions and adjusted any user or date filters you want, click the Apply button. QuickBooks will refresh the audit log and display only the entries that match your filters. You'll now see a list of all deleted or voided transactions based on your criteria. To review the details of any specific entry, look to the right of that line and click View. This will open a detailed view showing what the transaction looked like before it was deleted or voided, along with information such as the date and the user who made the change. This is your best source of truth when you need to understand exactly what happened to a transaction in QuickBooks Online.